Super Bowl week is here, but honestly, these Chili-Lime Chicken Nachos are a win for any occasion. They are packed with so much flavor, your guests will be asking for the recipe before the first quarter is even over. First, butterfly the chicken breast by slicing it nearly in half and opening it flat. Season both sides with the chili-lime seasoning. Heat the oil in a hot pan, then add the chicken. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Season with salt and pepper. Smells good. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Start the cheese sauce by pouring the milk into a small pan over medium heat. Once the milk is warm, add both cheeses and reduce the heat to low. If you can't find Queso Fresco, you can substitute it with your choice of cheddar cheese. While the cheese sauce simmers, start the corn tortilla chips. Cut the corn tortillas into wedges. Lay the tortillas into the air fryer basket, spray it lightly with cooking spray, then sprinkle with salt. If you don't have an air fryer, pan fry them or use store-bought. Just be aware they can be salty. If that is the case, then skip this step. Cook for 5 minutes at 300 degrees, flip them over and cook for another 3 minutes, or until golden brown. Meanwhile, don't forget to stir the cheese sauce until it is smooth and thick. Now we can start building our nachos. Lay down half the chips and chicken. I prefer drizzling the sauce like this so you get a good coating. Otherwise, it just washes off the chips. Add the rest of the chips, chicken, and cheese sauce. Now, time for the toppings. You can serve them with salsa and guacamole on the side also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ingredients are in the description. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, cook smarter,